In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Revolut to your bank account. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and select on the option over here that does say payments. Then go to the top right and select on this plus button right over here. And once you're done with that, it is now going to bring up a menu that looks like this. So again, we are trying to send money to a bank account. So in order to do this, we need to go ahead and add a new bank recipient. And this will essentially save your bank account details on Revolut. So in the future, you can go ahead and easily send money to your bank. So let's go ahead and press on bank recipient like so. And once you're done with that, it is now going to open up a menu where you need to go ahead and select the country or region of the recipient's account, the currency, and also you need to go ahead and enter in your account number and your ACH routing number, your first and last name, and the email is optional as well, but I personally recommend that you guys do that. You could also go ahead and send money to a business account as well, or an individual account. But basically, once you're done with that, all you need to do is you need to press on the button that does say add recipient. And once you're done with that, the bank account should appear on the list, and all you need to do is just send money to that, and from there you can just select on how much money you want to send, and then go ahead and press on send. It's really that simple. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.